Namaskar, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. We have a fascinating topic to delve into today: belly fat. It's an issue that's been plaguing not just adults, but young people too. And it's not just about how it makes us look, but more importantly, how it affects our overall health and well-being. You see, belly fat is not just a cosmetic concern. It is a sign of a slow metabolism, a lack of exercise, and sometimes an unhealthy diet. It's like a warning signal from your body that things are not as balanced as they should be. But here's where it gets interesting. Belly fat can be managed, and a flat belly is not just about looking good, it's about feeling good too. Now, I know it's disheartening to see young people struggling with belly fat, but worry not. Today we're going to unravel the reasons behind it. You see, belly fat is not just about looks, it's a reflection of an imbalance in your body. When we consume more calories than we burn, our bodies store the excess as fat. Belly fat, specifically, is a result of a slow metabolism and lack of exercise. Let's break it down. When we exercise, we increase our metabolic rate, which is the speed at which our bodies burn calories. If we don't exercise enough, our metabolism slows down and we store more fat, especially around our midsection. Now imagine a world where your metabolism is working at its peak. That stubborn belly fat starts to melt away, revealing a flatter stomach. But the benefits don't stop at aesthetics. A flat belly signifies a healthy metabolism, which means you're efficiently breaking down food into energy for the entire body. This energy is what powers you through your day, keeping you active and alert. A flat belly isn't just a visual transformation, it's about unlocking the energy you need for a happier and healthier life. Now, let's get down to business. We all know that maintaining a balanced diet and regular exercise routine is crucial to shedding those extra pounds around your belly. But let's delve a little deeper into what these exercises are and how they can assist you. First off, let's talk about yoga. It's not just about flexibility and peace of mind. It can also be your secret weapon in the battle against belly fat. There are certain yoga asanas or poses that specifically target your abdominal muscles, helping to tone and tighten them. For starters, there's the energizing Surya Namaskar, or sun salutation. This sequence of 12 powerful yoga poses not only helps in improving your body posture and flexibility, but also aids in reducing belly fat. Next up, we have the twisting konasana, or the angle pose. This asana helps in reducing belly fat and also aids in improving digestion. The twisting motion involved in this asana helps in reducing the fat from your belly area. Lastly, we have the pavana muktasana, or the wind-relieving pose. As the name suggests, this asana helps in removing gas from your stomach and also aids in reducing belly fat. Remember, consistency is key. Incorporate these asanas into your daily routine, and you'll start seeing results in no time. From the energizing Surya Namaskar to the twisting konasana and the powerful pavana muktasana, these exercises will help you sculpt that flat belly you desire. I understand that the journey might seem tough, but trust me, the benefits are beyond aesthetics. Embarking on this journey towards a healthier lifestyle is not just about looking good in front of the mirror. It's about feeling good inside and out. It's about taking a stand for your health, for your life. Remember, having belly fat is more than just a cosmetic concern. It's a potential disaster for your health. So, let's kick that belly fat to the curb and embrace a healthier, happier life together. Before we wrap up, a quick reminder. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Your support means the world to us, and it helps us create more content like this. And if you want to stay updated with our latest health and wellness tips, do subscribe to our channel. And remember, knowledge is power, so do share this video with your friends and family. Help them understand the importance of a healthy lifestyle. Remember, a healthier you is a happier you. Let's embark on this journey together. Namaskar.